Hello, my name is Prince English and I'm working with Homes. I am sitting here with the late Naspon's children, and this is her daughter and that's her grandchildren. And over there is her sister. As you know that Nasport passed away just soon after this house was completed, and she did not live in this house. It is a sad story, but still more, many thanks to you, Susan Putney, because these people, they live in that house. We'd like to take you really quickly inside the house so that you can see for yourself how incredible it is to live in this comfortable house that you got for them. These people telling me that Nasport was a great lady. She used to keep these children. She used to live with them. And this house is a very important, it's a very big deal to them because they will be living in this house. Many thanks to Homes Organization for this initiative that is transforming many lives. And many thanks to you, Susan Putney, for the gift that has transformed these people. May God bless you. Ziko Mukwambili. Thank you very much.